BC fue abusia ya chewi na so ensem da so wo an ya ka de doso computer school selection and placement system sesi ano why you get my extended the to the 5th of this month and we are aware that na ene what the schools private schools ni bi abeka free SHS no eno ene nam so amazi CR date ni postpone na say atwem e dey akofem sa 25th oba bi a mechum say ho ene CSSPS no ebetimi akwara wie enti private schools na omede abeka ho ne na ne mede babesom bese hu private schools are government e dey anaze GS e dey aka free SHS no sabri ni na abe free SHS ntutu so betimo tutu aka ho nya free na kase an e bia na school we na private school into the me amekoffa obuche fees there be government na the schools ni bi abeka ho amemfa nso no na say know the private schools included in the free SHS I come studios there is a ntumi de besom timeso say follow this page na fi share mo adofo we bi aso nya bi hwe. Number 1 Cosmos Senior High School ewo ejura eno ena edikan Joy Standard College Kumasi ena Elite College Kumasi eno eso Kumasi Ken Hammer Senior High School goso ho de minimum Mist Senior High School Yeji ena was St Luke SHS Markesim St Richard's SHS eno so ewe asimfosu Mount Hebron College eno so ewe dunkwa onofin Obama College ewe ekumfi yewo Samtech Oxford Senior High School eno wo atechem ene yewo Samo SHS new site eno so Mankesim Modern Senior High School ewo pon eno so eye pon na ewo King David Community College eno so pon ena afi yabenya so many senior high and technical school eno so so many Ideal College Legon eno so East Legon ni na be wow ene yewo Action Senior High School and tech eno so ye Madina ene yewo City Business Senior High School eno wo ye Mate heko hey aliago ba chabe mamoni ya sanetie ene yewo Delcom Senior High School Adenta ene yewo St Andrews SHS Teshi ene yewo Business College International School ene so wo ye Sagnerugu ene yewo ye Region Tropen Senior High School ene so wo ye Bongo no me pamocha uni mo bia wa na wa comment section wo minimo ene yewo Ideal College wa enye Ideal College de munimo na we wa version of Ideal College ene yewo wa Last Academy SHS ene so wo ye who ene yewo Golden Gate SHS Shama takrade sekendi ho baby oto memorial baby ani we eye schools are government atimi e dey kan eye free SHS no ho endi se wo tusu na ebia schools ni bia na se bia school ya mebodi e wo East Legon yi na bia wani jo ho Ideal College ne ndi ka ho so manya senior high and tech first na Ideal College East Legon ni na eye private schools ana o tusu a o kwa bi school fees sisi ya the government di ni na be kan eye free SHS no nti know these schools and please kindly share this video, repost it to your friends so that they will get to know the schools are government and they can eye free SHS no video we I was saying e by come on sir now so light out nti abusua and mo come on sir sabria be kan say repost mo odofo na obibia so nti enya this video na omohu de yakoso we your mind mu I come studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Any update on your education, anything, you drop it on this platform. Thanks for joining us today. I'm finally out.